Bose has just unveiled its latest true wireless earbuds. The new Sport Open Earbuds feature a non-ear-obstructing design that lets in outside sounds instead of sealing off the ear canal. These open-type earphones gently grip the ear's outer ridge to lock in place with no ear tip and virtually no skin contact. This is a turn from the company's more typical noise-canceling offerings, but that is actually the point. Being aware of your surroundings is absolutely imperative for outdoor athletes. The Bose Sport Open Earbuds use Bose's OpenAudio technology, the same engineering the company used to create the Bose Frames Sunglasses, which let you hear music without the use of earbuds. Bose claims that the Sport Open Earbud enclosures contain a tiny dipole transducer that can deliver clear audio for the wearer. Since they are water resistant, there is no need to worry about the earbuds slipping off from sweat or when their user gets caught in the rain during a run. For further protection against moisture and debris, the Sport Open Earbuds are fitted with acoustic mesh across the sound ports. Pre-orders are being taken now, and the Sport Open Earbuds and shipping will begin by mid-January. For more, visit embolden.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.